Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to go over a really cool E minor pentatonic lick. Now, let me play it nice and clean, a little slower to show you how it goes. All right, man, so let's kind of break this down a little bit. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my middle finger on the third string, second fret, and play that note. I'm going to slide that middle finger up to the fourth fret of the third string. I'm going to play my index finger on the second string, third fret, and I'm going to play that open E string or that first string like this. And I'm just kind of going to do a rhythm pattern like this with those notes. Take that shape now and move up 2 frets. So your index finger is on the second string, fifth fret, and your ring finger is on the third string, sixth fret. And again, play that open E on the first string. Play the same rhythm pattern again. So like this. And then come over here on the second string, 15th fret with your little finger, and then put your index finger on the 14th fret, third string. Play those notes together 4 times and do like a half or maybe full step bend there. See that? And then the next part of the lick goes like this. Then take your ring finger on the 14th fret of the third string, bend up about a half step, then pull off to your index finger on the 12th fret of the third string. Play that ring finger on the 14th fret of the fourth string. Play that index finger on the 12th fret of the third string. And play that ring finger on the 14th fret of the fourth string. You can play it twice if you want. Play that ring finger on the 14th fret of the fifth string. Kind of pull off to the index finger on the fifth string, 12th fret. Play the little finger on the 15th fret, 6th string. So like this. Play the index finger on the 12th fret of the 5th string. Play the little finger on the 15th fret of the 6th string. And play that index finger on the 12th fret of the 6th string. So like this. Then we're going to do a little walk up here. Play that open 6th string, that open E, hammer around with the index finger on the 3rd fret, then slide it up to your 5th fret with an index finger, and then hammer on with your ring finger on the 7th fret. Play that index finger on the 5th fret of the 5th string. Play the ring finger on the 7th fret of the 6th string. And then play that index finger again on the 5th string, 5th fret. So like this. Then when you hit that index finger on that 5th fret of the 5th string, you slide it up 2 frets to the 7th fret and hammer on with your little finger. So kind of like this. Play the index finger on the 4th string, 7th fret. Play the little finger on the 5th string, 10th fret, and then play the index finger again on the 4th string, 7th fret. So like this. And hit that index finger again on the 4th string, 7th fret, and you slide it up 2 frets to the 9th fret. And you hammer on with your little finger on the 4th string to the 12th fret, like this. Play that index finger on the 3rd string, 9th fret. Play the little finger on the 4th string, 12th fret. And then play the index finger again on the 3rd string, 9th fret, like this. Then when you hit that index finger on the 3rd string, 9th fret, slide it up to the 12th fret of that 3rd string. And then hammer on with your ring finger on the 14th fret of the 3rd string, like this. Play that index finger on the 12th fret of the 2nd string. Play the ring finger on the 14th fret of the 3rd string. Play the index finger again on the 12th fret of the 2nd string. Slide it up 3 frets to the 15th fret of the 2nd string. And then play the ring finger on the 17th fret of the 2nd string. You play it maybe 4 times there. So kind of like this. So kind of like this, that walk-up line. So a little slower cleans, huh? Now let's play with some distortion. A little quicker. Hey, again, Mr. G. Hope you enjoy that E minor pentatonic lick. Keep on jamming.